Subscribe to the Helpful Techniques and press the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, my name is Piravrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, I'm again back with a new job opportunity. This time NPCI, that means National Payment Corporation of India, is hiring for the role of graduate engineer training. So you can see all the details or the eligibility criteria. So it's for BE, BTech, ME, MTech people, and it's for 2016 to 2020 pass out people. That means you must have completed your graduation in 2020 itself. So experience, it's for 0 to 2 year experienced people. So the job location is Mumbai, Chennai or the Hyderabad. So let me take you to the official website where you can check all the other eligibility criteria and apply for this role if you eligible for this role, and apply for this role as soon as possible. So here you have to click on the apply button here, then you will be able to apply for this role online. So guys, please pay attention because we are going to discuss one of the most important thing that anyone must know before applying for this role. So guys, here you can see after you get shortlisted for this role, then you will be undergoing a rigorous training period of 6 months, 3 months for skill enhancement in their respective domains. So let's now discuss the mandatory requirements to join this role or their company. So qualification, as you know, it's for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and pass out, it's one of the most important thing. Please pay attention. It's for you must have completed your graduation from the top 50 ranked institutions as per the NIRF ranking 2020. So what is NIRF ranking? So here you can see NIRF, that means National Institution Ranking Framework. So according to the National Institutional Ranking Framework, your institution or your university must belong to the top 50 ranked institutions according to the framework 2020. So here you can see it's the rank. So I'll be providing this link in the description so that you can check whether your institution belong to this rank or not. So if your college or the institution belongs to this rank, then please apply for this role. So here you can see Indian Institute of Technology Madras is at the top score. The score is 89.93. So let's go to the last ranked college. So here you can see College of Engineering Pune. It has scored 46.79 and it's at 50th rank. So here you can see if your college or the university belong to this category, then you can proceed further. So you completed your bachelor's degree in 2016 to 2020. So masters 2018 to 2020. So then eligibility or the scores, here you can see the 10th grade you must have scored minimum of 75%, in 12th 65%, in BTech or BE 60%, in an MTech it's 60%. So they have kept higher for 10th grade, that is 75%. So if you belong to this category or you fulfill this eligibility criteria, then only apply for this role by clicking apply button. So it's a government level exam or government level interview. So if you don't belong to this category or this eligibility criteria, if you don't fulfill, then you will be not able to apply for this role or your application will get rejected. So please keep in mind and check whether you belong to this category. So the criteria for of top 50 ranked institution can be relaxed for those having certification in data science, blockchain or advanced programming in open source. So it's one of the, you can say, best thing, or you can say plus point for the other people who does not belong to this category. So you will be able to apply for this role if you have completed data science, blockchain or the advanced programming in open source. So please do mention if you have completed data science or the blockchain and apply for this role as soon as possible. So I'll be providing the job link in the description of this video so that you can click on that link and apply for this role and check other eligibility criteria if you want to check. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for next upcoming video. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.